In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Zoho CRM account. Open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Zoho CRM and press enter. You should see the official result near the top. Click the link that goes to the Zoho CRM site on the zoho.com domain. This puts you on the correct page and avoids unrelated results. If you see an interstitial or marketing page, just navigate back and choose the official product page. On the Zoho CRM homepage, you'll find a clear sign-up area inviting you to get started for free. That's where we'll work. Click into the name field and enter your full name exactly as you want it to appear in your account. Using your real name makes collaboration easier and keeps reports and notifications clear. If you're creating this for business use, match the spelling you use across your other tools. Take a second to confirm capitalization and any accent marks so everything looks professional from the start. Next, click into the email field and type an address you check often. This becomes your primary login and the destination for important account messages. For the smoothest setup, use a work email tied to your organization. Before moving on, scan for typos, extra dots, missing letters, or the wrong domain are easy to miss and can block confirmation messages. Keep this address secure and accessible, since it's how you'll recover access and receive alerts about usage, limits, or updates. Open the country or region dropdown and select the location that best matches where you operate. This helps set appropriate defaults for language and regional preferences, and it often controls the phone country code shown beside the number field. Choosing the correct region now prevents formatting errors later and keeps communications aligned with your locale. In the phone number box, enter your number using the format indicated on screen. Make sure the country code is correct and that there are no extra spaces or symbols the form doesn't accept. Accuracy matters because services sometimes send important messages to this number. Use a number you control and can access quickly so you don't miss any notices related to security or account activity. When everything looks good, click the Get Started button. This submits your details and moves you into the sign-up flow. If the page highlights any fields, correct what it shows and click again. Once the form is accepted, you'll see options to continue with an existing account from a trusted provider, which can simplify your login experience. To proceed with Google, choose the Google option and follow the prompts. This lets you authenticate with your Google account and enables single sign-on, reducing passwords you need to remember. Review the permissions on screen, confirm, and you'll be brought back with your new Zoho CRM profile connected to Google for quick, consistent access. If you prefer LinkedIn, select the LinkedIn option and continue through its sign-in screen. Your Zoho CRM account will link to that profile, giving you a similarly streamlined way to log in. Pick whichever service you use most often. Both routes are designed to make access fast and familiar. That's it. When the sign-up completes, you'll be redirected to your Zoho CRM homepage. You're now inside the app and ready to explore. You'll see core areas like leads, contacts, accounts, and deals, along with options to tailor views. Take a moment to note the main navigation and how to open the modules you'll use most. Keep your sign-up email handy and remember which sign-in method you chose. If the interface looks a bit different, don't worry. The process is the same.